Hi, to set up alarm clock on your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly we need to find clock app. For that I'm gonna enable my app drawer by swiping up, and here it is. Open it and then you should tap on this plus to add new alarm. So let's do it. And now we need to select time. So just swipe up or down to choose the right time. Here we got hours and minutes. And also you can choose between AM and PM. So let's set this alarm for 8 AM. And now we can choose on which days we want to repeat it. For example, every Monday or every Monday and Tuesday. Let's just add Thursday and Friday, so we can leave it only on work days and name it as work. After that, we'll be able to select alarm sound. First of all, make sure that the switcher is enabled, so you can see that it is just purple like that. And now you should select the tab at itself, and we got 3 options: Bixby, alarm, Spotify, and ringtone. And also we can control volume here, so just swipe left on the slider or right to increase volume. Now let's tap and select ringtone. So here we got many default options by categories such as retro, fun, calm, and so on. If you like any option, you just need to tap it and it will be saved as your alarm sound. If you want to set your own sound, you need to tap on the plus. And here, if you got any installed sounds, you should see it in this tab, so you can select it like that. Also, you can enable to play selected highlight and then tap done to save it as your alarm sound. And additionally, you can enable or disable to read time and alarm name aloud. For that, tap on the switcher to enable. And also you can enable to gradually increase volume if you tap on the switcher. Now let's go back using this arrow to go back, and after that we can also choose and enable vibration. Just scroll through the options, tap it, and here just change its intensity. And after that we can choose snooze. So you can disable it here or enable, then choose interval. You can also select your custom one and choose repeat. We got 3 options: 3 times, 5 times, and forever. So just choose any of these 3 options and save the changes by going back. And finally, you can choose alarm background. So tap this option, here tap background and select something from this feature tab. Or you can add your own photo if you go in your gallery. Let's choose, for example, this light purple, and we got this option to choose different clock style. So let's leave this one and tap done. And now all is left is to save the changes by hitting this save button. And now we just set it up our new alarm clock. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.